How you guys doing? We're back with another video here with you guys today. And today we have a kit for the Porsche Boxster. So let me break it down real quick about the Porsche Boxster. So I'm gonna go over the applications first, and then I'm gonna go over the parts. So this application is for the 1997 through 99 Porsche Boxster 2.5. Then it's gonna be for the 2008 Porsche Boxster 2.7, okay? So for the 99, 97, that's a 2.5, and then for the 2000, 2008, it's gonna be 2.7. And it also fits the 2.7, 2007, 2008 Porsche Cayman, okay? It's gonna fit those three vehicle applications. Now, while I'm talking about the vehicle applications, here we have the disc and the pressure plate here, but these two items here, we got the bushing and the pilot bearing. So based on your vehicle application, you may require this one, or none. Now keep in mind, it's the flywheel using in the car, because keep in mind, this is for the 2.5 and the 2.7. So you may get one, you may get none. It depends on your flywheel setup. Now here we're gonna have the alignment tool it comes with. We got the release bearing, and here's gonna be the pressure plate. We do sell this in stage 3. And I believe we do have
stage 24.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So if you have any questions about the vehicle fitment applications, flywheel applications, please feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you.